Greetings, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Guaranty RV Supercenters in Junction City, Oregon. My name is Erik.Sakshaug, and today I'm going to be giving you a brief tutorial on this Thor 4-Winch 31W. This is a loaded coach with lots to offer. Come on in, let's take a look around. We do, of course, have a queen-size bed. Thor does have an agreement with Denver Mattress, so these are some of the highest quality mattresses you'll find in a motorhome. You've also got 110 power on both sides of the bed. Other beautiful thing to notice is just, I don't know if you can see very well with the camera, but look at just the spaciousness of that cubby hole right there. There's a lot of good stuff you can put in there. Little conveniences, books, magazines. You can charge your iPod, iPad, whatever you want to do. You've also got, as we move out a little bit further, a couple of good sized hanging closets here and here. Lots of space. You can very easily get a couple seasons of clothes. Plus, check out the dresser space down below. You've just got a lot of stuff in there that you can put. That's going to be perfect for, long extended trips. If you got the whole family with you, you can comfortably get clothes in here for about 6-8 people. As we move out a little bit further, it is important to note that there's been a little bit of a redesign for the cabinetry here. You're used to seeing cabinets that go all the way up and down. Well, Thor's done that a little bit differently this year. So if you look at just the size of that cabinet space right there, you've got another big hanging closet right here. That's why I say you can easily get clothing in here for 6 or 8 people. You've got another very functional shelf system in here. These shelves are adjustable. This would be great for a linen closet. You can use this as extra pantry space. Just a lot of good things that you can do with that. As you go down a little bit more, check this out, because now all of these are going to be on sliding trays as well. This is intended to be your pantry space, but in reality there's no shortage of possibilities as far as what you can do with all that extra cabinet space. Again, little redesign for and as far as I'm concerned, that makes this a much more functional coach compared to years past. So we get into the bathroom. Again, no shortage of space. First thing to notice, I'm about 5'9" and I weigh about 200 pounds. And as you can see, I can move around in here pretty freely with my back all the way up against. My hands moving freely. So again, plenty of space in here to move about. No worries. You do, of course, have a very nice sized medicine cabinet up here. If you take a look at that, there's just a lot of space in there. A lot more for just one toothbrush. And then you also still have plenty of space back here. This would be ideal for spare towels, spare toilet paper, cleaning supplies, stuff like that. As we move out into the rest of the coach, your kitchen, as you would expect, is fully equipped. You do have a gas oven, gas cooktop, and you do have now a residential microwave up top. Being a 31W, this is of course going to feature solid surface countertops. It's going to be very easy to clean, very easy to maintain. And then the other nice thing is this actually does have a real backsplash rather than just a piece of wallpaper that looks like rock. You also have a double basin sink, and this is one of my favorite features and configurations because you got a little one over here and a big one over there rather than 2 little ones. It's going to be a lot more functional, a lot easier to clean larger pots and pans like cast iron, like pasta pots, etc. and so forth. As we move out into the rest of the coach, little detail features. With this especially, you've got little charging centers around the coach. And this is, you might think, now why would they put a charging center right there? There's nowhere to put my stuff. Well, if you open that up and run your cords right through that little hole there, it actually makes it pretty easy. So rather convenient, a little creative. As we work our way up front, another one of my favorite features, you do have your couch and your dinette right across from each other. That's a big feature because a lot of times you're going to see them side by side, and it kind of makes it awkward to try and talk to everybody. And with having them across from each other really makes facilitating family time a lot easier because everyone's right directly across. Everyone can have a fun, friendly conversation. It makes game night a lot easier, etc. and so on. As we work our way forward, this is going to be on a Ford chassis, so you are of course going to have tow haul mode. As you would expect on any of them. One of the other little unique things here is that this is of course a touchscreen, as you can see, and this is going to feature mirroring technology, so you can basically link your cell phone up to this and have Google Maps go right through that, or have Pandora go through that, whatever you want. Basically What your phone does, that'll do, and with the touchscreen you can do pretty much everything. Idea behind that, your phone updates every day, can make it a little bit easier and a little more convenient than your standard navigation system. I've got one more thing I want to touch on in this coach that's kind of unique. With most Class C's, you aren't going to necessarily always have leveling jacks, but this one does. So it's a simple system. All you gotta do is turn it on, hit the big button that says auto level, and you're done. When you get ready to go, push that button again to turn it on, hit all retract, wait for the lights to turn green, and you're off. It's really that simple. That's about all the time we have to talk about the inside of this coach. Let's go have a look at the wonderful exterior. In addition to the leveling jacks that we talked about just a moment ago, we do have backup or side view cameras on this coach as well. Again, a feature that's not common on Class C's, but this one, as I said before, is literally loaded. As we work our way around, you are going to have outdoor entertainment. These are marine grade speakers that are already fitted to the coach. You are, of course, going to have some of the smaller storage containers on the outside, as you would expect with most Class C's, but the big one is going to be this guy right here. This storage bay is big enough you can easily fit, I can fit 4 or 5 sets of golf clubs just in that space back there alone. You can fit a number of coolers, you can fit all kinds of good stuff in there. Plenty of fishing poles, you can fit collapsible rafts, collapsible kayaks, stuff like that. No worries, just no end of things that you can do with this coach. Around the back, you are of course going to have your backup camera. Something unique to this particular coach, you are going to have an 8,000 pound tow hitch on the back of this, and believe it or not, that is a legitimate 8,000 pounds. If you look at the gross vehicle weight and the gross combined weight, you'll find a difference between those two figures of about 8,000 pounds. Kind of convenient. As we work our way around the rest of the coach, you will notice the one reason we've got so much room and so much space on the inside, this is a full wall slide. And believe it or not, it actually works pretty good. Contrary to what you might see on the internet, full wall slides are actually becoming quite efficient and quite reliable. You do, of course, as you can see, have a lot more storage space all the way around the outside of this coach, and of course a very convenient city water connection as well. Ladies and gentlemen, that's about all the time we have to talk about this beautiful Thor 4 Winds 31W. As I'm sure you know, there's a lot of stuff in this coach I haven't had as much time to go into detail with, but I would love to have a conversation with you. Please feel free to contact me at the contact information below on the screen, or if you'd like, feel free to contact me direct on my cell phone. That number is 541-513-3171. I hope you're having a wonderful day, and please remember, we're always here to help.